Hello everyone, let's start with the 34th question. The moment of the force F vector is given to us equals to 4i cap plus 5j cap and minus 6k cap at point 2 comma 0 comma minus 3 and about the point 2 comma minus 2 is given by, and these are the options: minus 8i cap, minus 4j cap, minus 7k cap, minus 7i cap, minus 8i cap, minus 4k cap, and this minus 4i cap. Yes, these two options are there. Okay, in this question first we have to make our vector from this points. We have to make another vector from this point, and we have a force vector. So let's make a vector from these 2 points. So our vector will be 2 minus 2 I cap plus 0 minus bracket minus 2 j cap plus 3 minus minus 2 k cap. From this we will get our vector as 2 j cap minus k cap. For getting moment of force, we will just r cross f vector. We will This is the formula of find the determinant of this matrix, and you will get r cross f vector, and this is the remaining vector that we have, and this is the moment of force. And c and b option is no, wait, d option is correct: minus 7 I cap, minus 4 j cap, minus 8 k cap.